It's so good.
Drop it. There to the right, drop it. Okay, let's start by bringing the arms down by your side for me. On both sides, please. Perfect. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay? So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. And one more time, please. All the way out. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Nice deep breath in, please. All the way out. Very nice. And one more time, please. All the way out. Very good. All right, so you're gonna feel a nice little pull towards me. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Point your toes down for me.
Oh, it's so good.
Good. You get a good release on that?
Yeah,
Nice.
very good.
Awesome, that was a loud one.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's lift up. Wow, that was a good one. Just relax it here. Same thing here, just relax the leg. Very nice. Same thing here, just relax it. Good. Very nice. And head right into my hand, please. Just relax this shoulder here, okay? Just give me full control. Go ahead and drop the head to the left, drop it.
Oh,
How did that feel?
very good.
That's a loud release. Awesome, awesome. And all the way down to my hand. Relax that shoulder there. Take any full control, just drop the head to the right, drop it. Wow.
So good.
Feel good?
Yes.
Awesome. How are you feeling so far?
Really good.
Good. All right. So just relax it here.